Welcome to BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. Today our topic is descriptive language. What is descriptive language? Well, descriptive language essentially is language that can make you experience what the writer wants us to experience. Okay? So, descriptive language is basically experiencing what the writer, what the writer intends us to experience. Okay? Now, language has power. Most people wouldn't believe that when we speak, there's power in the word, but there is power in the word. And I'm going to give you an example of that right now. This writer here is a journalist, and he covered the Vietnam War, which was from the 60s to the middle 70s. And let me read it for you first, and then you tell me if you experience what he wants us to experience. Let me begin. The Vietnam War. It was June the 8th, 1972, when Puck heard the soldiers scream, "We have to run out of this place. They will bomb here and we'll be dead." Seconds later, she saw the tails of yellow and purple smoke bombs circling around the Cao Dai temple, where her family had sheltered for 3 days, as North and South Vietnam forces fought for control of their village. The little girl heard a roar overhead and twisted her neck to look up. As the South Vietnamese Sky Rider plane grew fatter and louder, it swooped down towards her, dropping canisters like tumbling eggs, flipping end over end. Ba-boom! Ba-boom! The ground rocked, and the heat of 100 furnaces exploded as orange flames spit in all directions. Fire danced up Puck's left arm. The threads of her cotton clothes evaporated on contact. Trees became angry torches. Searing pain bit through skin and muscle. "I will be ugly, and I'm not normal anymore," she thought, as her right hand brushed furiously across her blistering arm. "People will see me in a different way." In shock, she sprinted down the highway, behind her older brother. She didn't see the foreign journalists gathered as she ran towards them, screaming. Then she lost consciousness. Right. That's descriptive writing. Did you experience what the writer wanted us to experience? This was written by a journalist who was actually there, who saw what was happening in the war. And notice that he uses all of our senses to make us experience that. What he sees, we see. What he hears, we hear. What he felt, we feel. So, descriptive language often uses the 5 senses so that we can experience what poor Puck and what the journalist experienced. How did they feel? Did they feel a bit scared? Yeah, scared, sad. That's the power of language. And in this tutorial, we'll be looking at how we can write descriptively, how we can use our 5 senses to make someone experience what you experience. Thank you for choosing PTI BetterGradesFast.com. See you soon.